My name is Onkar Bhosle. I have done my master's computer science from State University of New York. I worked in US for 7 years. After that, I came back to Mumbai. I built a company, B2B SaaS, mobile video-based customer feedback company from scratch. Built it from 0 to 60 engineers, raised 2 rounds of funds, and while we were raising a $18 million round, we got an acquisition offer for $10 million. So this is my quick background. Rohit Shirke, my co-founder, was the core team member of Coupon, which was a coupon-based SMB company. It was funded by Sequoia, and he has a good background of business sales experience of connecting SMBs. The why are we solving this specific problem is we believe the offline retailers, it's high time that they get digitally empowered uh, via video on mobile phones. Retail stores now realize that how it is important to digitally connect to customers. Video communication with customers is an important part of the sales journey. Currently, it's happening via WhatsApp, FaceTime, uh, which has no data storage privately. It is not GDPR compliant for mid-market and enterprise brands. There can be no analysis that can happen of the sales calls. The second big market segment is the online high value purchase items. For any value of item which you are buying online about $200, uh, there is no human being where you can ask a question. Currently what the people are doing is they are checking out the item online, they are going to a store, asking the questions which they have, and then if they want, they are buying into the store or they are coming and buying online. We want to change this process by having a talk on video option even on websites, wherein for high value items where there can be a human interface to ask questions and thereby causing a big sale of also high price items online. Um, Along with that, why we are the best suited team for this business. My specialization comes from B2B SaaS company, and Rohit happens to have a huge experience in terms of onboarding SMB businesses in his last venture. I strongly believe that my last company got acquired because of B2B SaaS video mobile empowerment solutions, and I have a team of 30 plus engineers which I have identified, which I feel are best in the world, who can build a competitive product for the global audience. uh, who is my favorite entrepreneur in India? My favorite entrepreneur in India is Mr. Narayan Murthy, because I believe that he showed by example that Indian engineers can do software services for global clients. Similarly, I believe Indian engineers now can build globally competitive B2B SaaS products, and those products which can compete with the best products of the world. Thank you. This is our vision.